So today we're going to use BimmerCode to connect to the car, and in order to do that you need a dongle that plugs into your car. And I use VPeak as the model that I use, and there are a number of different models that work with BimmerCode. You just have to check on their website and make sure if you want to get a different one that it works with it. But today we'll be using this one. So what it looks like, it plugs into the OBD port on your car, which is underneath the steering wheel down here. Once your dongle is installed and ready to go, you want to turn your car on. And then once your car is turned on, you want to go onto your phone and you want to set your airplane mode to on. And then once airplane mode is on, you want to turn your Bluetooth on, and that will prevent any interference like from your Wi-Fi or uploads and downloads, anything your phone's trying to do in the background, from messing with your coding job. And then once your Bluetooth is turned on, you want to go into your Bluetooth settings and you want to pair the dongle with your phone. It may have a default password. Mine is 1234. Okay, once that's paired, you want to go into your BimmerCode app and then click connect. If this is your first time using it, it'll prompt you to pair the app with the dongle that you bought, whatever brand you get. And then you want to select the model car that you have. I have a BMW i3. It'll then start pairing with the computer and get ready for your coding menu. This could take a few minutes. Okay, so once the BimmerCode app is done pairing with your car, you want to check on here for where it says lighting, which is in the body domain controller. So you would then click on that. It's going to give you another loading menu, and you'll have to wait another minute or so. Okay, so once you're in the body domain controller menu, you want to scroll down, find your high beams, and there'll be a section called LED conversion high beam, and you want to click on that. And mine will already say active because I've already done this, but if you haven't done it yet, you want to select that. Then save won't be grayed out. Then you save that, it'll code to your car, and then you want to leave your car on for this process. Once it's done coding to your car, then you want to back out of the app and then disconnect the app, and then it'll be safe to shut down your car. You can do this process either before or after you install the LED conversion kit on your car, and we also have a video about how to do that if you'd like to check that out as well.